Sun Tzu said, "There are 6 ways of terrain: easy ground, entangling ground, temporizing ground, narrow passes, steep ground, distant ground. The easy ground is when you and the enemy can freely come and go. Holding the high ground and controlling the supply routes for battle is advantageous. Entangling ground is when it is difficult to retreat, making it risky. If the enemy is unprepared, you can attack and win. But if the enemy is prepared, it is hard to retreat and unfavorable. Temporizing ground occurs when both sides have difficulty moving. If the enemy is advantageous, you should lure them out halfway and strike, turning the situation in your favor. Narrow passes must be occupied and waited for the enemy to fill them. If the enemy occupies them first, do not follow them unthinkingly. Precipitous ground is to be held and waited for the enemy to come. If the enemy occupies it first, lure them away and do not engage. Distant ground is where the competition is evenly matched, making engaging difficult. Fighting in these conditions is not favorable. These 6 ways of terrain are crucial for any leader to understand and utilize effectively in warfare. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more strategic insights.